guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Logitech G735 headset. And I'm super excited for this because just by looking at the outside box, you can see the headset right here. You can see the RGB lighting and all of it looks just super great. So I cannot wait for this. This is a part of the Aurora collection and it's absolutely beautiful. So I cannot wait for this. But before we do get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications. And I'll link the product in the description below if any of you are interested. Now let's get to the unboxing. G Hub on my desktop, and this is basically the settings for the headset where you control the lighting, the headset audio input, as well as the surround sound. So going in, you can see I have the G735 connected, I have the battery levels, the connection, the device settings, all in one place right here. And you can see I have the headphone surround sound, the microphone samplers, as well as light sync. And this is a really cool feature where you can actually edit the coloring of your headset that's being displayed. So right here you can go ahead and select maybe a red if you're into that, and then you can do an ombre into pink, and this will connect to your headset, as well as the brightness right here. And then we have our animations where we can select the type of animation you like, as well as the cycle for the color, the speed. And this is just basically the main hub for the settings of it, as I said before. And this is just really helpful and a really cool feature, especially the light sync for this. Alright guys, so I now have the mic hooked up, and it's hooked up properly this time because I did have it hooked up on the wrong side by accident. But yeah, I have it hooked up right here, and it's working pretty well. You can hear my voice pretty clearly, and since this is for gaming, it doesn't have to be specifically as clear as a recording mic would be, but this one actually has pretty good sound quality, and it does get a little bit static sometimes, but overall pretty decent. I really do like the aesthetic looks of this headset. I think the audio quality is really good, as well as the mic input. I think that's not bad as well. The RGB lighting is absolutely amazing. I love how you can change it in the hub, and the detachable mic is something that I really do appreciate as well. Overall, I give this product a big thumbs up, and I will link it down in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!